Welcome to Arizona, the land of extraordinary wonders, where the rugged spirit of the Wild West meets the enchantment of the vast desert. Phoenix, the Valley of the Sun, and the city we call home. Our state is magical, with awe-inspiring beauty that will take your breath away. From the majestic Grand Canyon to the iconic Monument Valley, the state's landscapes are nothing short of magnificent. Towering rock formations, cactus as tall as buildings, colossal marvels of nature that feel not from this planet. With sunrises and sunsets that just light the sky on fire. Experience the grandeur of the Grand Canyon State like never before, and embark on an unforgettable journey to discover a state with hidden treasures behind every corner. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to explore Arizona with Zack on ABC 15.